Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off weather notifications from Google. Every time I turn on my Samsung A13, right, they always prompt me this weather, and I have to always clear it. I don't want this weather notification because I find it very annoying and it's not accurate. So what to do? Go to the settings here, and then go to your app section. Okay, look for Google app. Google app, right? And then look under the notifications. Okay, notifications, and then under the notification categories, turn off this current weather notification conditions. Okay, so basically that will turn off your weather forecast from Google. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye.